Welcome to Kiddom After Class, where we share tips to help you make the most of Kiddom. Kiddom has a new set of interactive question types, including fill in the blank. With fill in the blank, students can fill in blanks that you designate within a text. To use a fill in the blank question, in edit mode of your digital curriculum, scroll down to the bottom of the page to add a question. Then click on written response, which is the default question type, to select a new type, in this case, fill in the blank. Simply click on plus response to add a blank and denote the right answer. You do not have to denote a correct answer if you want students to free write or respond to a question in their own words. This question type is auto-graded. The auto-graded answer is not case-sensitive, meaning that capital letters do not affect the answer being graded correctly. Remember, you can always select Preview to see what an assignment will look like for students. Thanks as always for attending Kiddom After Class.